Hello guys, it's me Pauline. Magluluto ako ng pork sabaw. Shout out to all my VIP members. My new VIP members, Angel of Labason, Helen in Germany, Bisdak TV 76, Muchas Ideas con Diego Jess. Shout out to Mami Meli Vlog, my VIP member. Florfina's Kitchen, Transtick Official, Royalin Official, Papa TV Yunbin, my Korean member, Oyamo Channel, and Kuya Buds. Shout out to all my members and super chatters. Radus Vlog, Everyday Adventure, Lorraine Mix Vlog, Always Together, Magnolia the Traveler, Angel of Labason, Samuhin TV, Florfina's Kitchen, Oyamo Channel, Mission TV, Anging Fee Vlog, Salino Lasco, Muchas Ideas con Diego Jess, Siso, my Korean member, Reverse Vlog USA, Jaja Cup, FLMSI, Ginalyn Yeju Vlog, Lola Ganda ng South Africa Vlog, Prosperity Mix Vlog, Tolits Guapo TV, Chari TV, Dorothy the Explorer, my Korean friend Chango, Son Nam Lim, singer, Kabadilir, Kapitana Venosa, Maritis D. Thank you also to my new members, Lorena TV, Myla Espenedo, Mibao Beep, my Vietnamese member, Angel of Mine 30, Jenalyn Yedu, Marine Kababayan Mix Vlogs, Ate GM Bicol. To all my solid team Pauline members, thank you so much for supporting my channel. Love you all! Again guys, salamat sa inyong suporta at pagmamahal kay Pauline MM Vlog. Bye!